Okay, I'm doing something a little bit different today, and that's just going through some words and doing some practice for myself. I have got a setup now, kind of, that I can record my voice and play at the same time. It's not perfect, but I suppose it's better than nothing. So, our first word is, we can use quash, which is a ditch. It's kind of different to a ditch, I guess. Well, it's kind of a ditch. So, a bit of a clash, a clash clash fud, maybe. So you got clash. Um, there's a bunch of words here. I don't know how I'm going to use them, but hopefully we can find a way to do it. Rishnur, which is apparently on time. Rishnur, which is rish and word. Rishnur. So we'll just head up this way. We're going towards my favorite temples, or my favorite pyramids, really. And let's see. We're probably going to run into a Bruges, which is a brute, or like a brutish person, I guess. So Bruges, Naga, a brute or two, and Amashmi, well, Oru, really. Amash is to aim, apparently. The Amashmi Oru. Oh, here we go. Bruges. So, Kumshaw. Hold that. Kumshaw. What else? Is there someone else? Oh, I can hear some. Oh, here we go. Kumshaw. There we go. And Kumshaw. Oh, no. Kumshaw. Thank you. Thank you for holding that for me. Hatoshu Nahacher. So apparently, you'll never guess what is said as something like Hatoshu Na. So you won't measure, or you won't guess, or won't hazard Na, which is kind of like the thing which, or that which, or something like that. Yeah, something like that, I suppose. And then Hachet is happened. So, Hatoishu Nahachet. All your friends were taken care of. Okay. Amashmi Ed. Oh, there's a big thing of lightning outside. Don't know if I should be doing this in the middle of a storm, but oh well. There was lightning, wasn't there? So, there we go. That's another one done. So, he got Graham, yeah, something. A morsel of something. A morsel of death, I suppose. Graham, yeah. If I could, I would, Koignach, which is high five, Koignach. I've got no one to high five here. So I'll just, I don't know. I'll climb up this one. Why not? So the word for, our word for ladle is ladad. I'm not entirely sure how I would use that in this context. That's one of the problems when you play a game such as this game. It's got a limited context. So, for example, the word ladad might be a bit hard. Same with the word scop, which is a scoop, apparently. Other ones are a bit easier. So, for example, long forsht, maybe over there somewhere, long forsht apparently is a dock, if I got that correct. Long forsht. So let's go up here. So before I get buasht is apparently distracted. My son keeps dropping the phone on the table, which is probably why the sound is coming through, even though I asked him very nicely not to do so. Oh well, that's life. Here we go. And this is Memphis, which probably has a different name, something like Memphi or something. I don't actually remember. But yeah, these are my favorite pyramids. This one and the bent pyramid. I don't know why. Maybe just because they're a bit different, really. But that's life. Another one is moldad, which is a cast or a mold. So these pyramids are not of the same moldad. Dissimilar is Nyoen, I think, in East Perthshire. Yunan, I don't know what the normal pronunciation, the standard pronunciation would be, but I think in East Perthshire or Perthshire in general, it'd be Aen, maybe. The Nyoen. So these ones are dissimilar. They're Nyoen. So Uad me, Sholye, and Jane maybe. Uad me, Sholye and Jane or Jane. Ain is a bird. So, and I got a glimpse of Uad me, Sholye. I got a glimpse of it. There goes my timer, because it's only a short study session going through some of these words. So we had dissimilar, which is nyoen, and ditch, which is clash, distracted, which is buashed. I didn't get around to this one, and I don't actually know if there are any in the game, but a drunkard apparently is a mishgad. Edvishk is to be drunk. So mishgad, maybe. A dock apparently is long forced. Hold this is kumsho. You'll never guess what is hatoshu na. And then I put achad on the end of it there. You'll never guess what happened. On time apparently is rishnur. A brute is bruj. A morsel is grain. I got a glimpse of is uad mi sholye. Aim is amash ed. A mold or a cast is moldad. High five is coignach. A ladle is ladder, and a scoop is scop.